Hey everyone, let's check out the new Slim Armor CS case for the Galaxy S7. This case gives all-around phone protection with the air cushion technology for reinforced drop protection and a built-in card slot for added convenience. It's made with a strong quality TPU shell and sturdy polycarbonate that provides dual-layer protection with great durability. Its flexible TPU interior with shock-absorbing pattern guards your phone from bumps and falls. To place the phone inside, simply slide in the phone on one end, then push in the corners in for an exact fit. The covered buttons align perfectly with the case, while the large cutouts allow easy access to pore openings. What makes the Slim Armor CS so unique is the easily accessible card slot that holds up to 2 cards or IDs. Its hidden compartment maintains your phone's sleek and minimal design without exposing any valuable information. It's also slimmer than most wallets for comfort and convenience, so you can carry your essentials in just one case. When removing the case, start by pressing on the outer corners one at a time. Then slightly pull and remove your phone. That was the Slim Armor CS for the Galaxy S7. Thanks for watching!